In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a table in LibreOffice Writer quickly and correctly so you can clean up your document without accidentally deleting the wrong content. If you've ever opened a document and found a table you no longer need, this simple method will save you time and help keep your formatting neat and organized. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, open the existing document that contains the table you want to remove. This could be a report, a letter, a form, or any document where a table has been inserted. Take a moment to make sure you're working in the correct file before making any changes. Now, scroll through your document until you find the table you want to delete. When you see it, click anywhere inside the table. This is an important step because it tells LibreOffice which table you want to work with. You do not need to highlight every cell or select the whole table manually. Just clicking inside it is enough to activate the table tools. After clicking inside the table, look at the top menu bar. You should see an option called Table. Click on Table to open the table menu. This menu contains several table-related commands, such as inserting rows, splitting cells, and deleting the table. Since our goal is to remove the entire table, we're going to use the Delete option. From the Table menu, move down to Delete, and then click Table. This tells LibreOffice Writer to remove the complete table from the document. Once you click it, the table will disappear, and the content around it will remain in place. Depending on your layout, the text before and after the table may move together, which is completely normal. If you were working with a table that had text inside it, remember that deleting the table also deletes everything stored in that table. So before you remove it, double-check whether there's any information you want to keep. If needed, copy the content first and paste it somewhere else in the document before deleting the table. And that's really all there is to it. Open your document, click inside the table, go to Table, choose Delete, and then click Table again to remove it completely. It's a fast and easy way to clean up your LibreOffice Writer document without extra confusion. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.